All you require for this recipe or making African pancakes are some ripe bananas, ndizi or kabalagala, or you can use these normal bananas like I'm doing today. So you're just going to use those ones, some sugar and cassava flour. You can do away with the sugar if you don't want extra sweeteners. These two will do just perfect. So what we're going to do, we're going to peel the bananas and make sure they are neat, like remove all those extras, and then mash them. So naturally or originally we use another type of bananas. They're called Kabalagala, and I don't know how they call them in English. But these ones also work as perfect if you cannot make banana bread, or you don't want the American pancakes or juice or smoothies or anything. You can just opt to make these African pancakes. All you're going to do is peel them, mash them into a finer texture, because we don't want a final kabalagala or pancake that has a lot of visible bananas in them. To me, they really don't taste so well, but it depends on what you want as a person. It's your meal, you can always twist it or do anything with it. If you want the bananas there, do it. So once the bananas are mashed, we'll just add in our cassava flour. We are using cassava flour because naturally cassava is stretchy and usually tends to retain some moisture. So that is why these kabalagala or African pancakes tend to be stretchy when you bite into them. And as usual, the spatula never does it so well, so I'm just going to go in with my hands and knead this mixture until I have a finer product. Like you're going to see, we don't want bananas visible in our pancakes, so make sure you squeeze them in and have a final dough that is as clear as possible, just like this one. So this is done. It's not sticky, it's just there, but as you can see, it's really soft. So I'm just going to dust my board and then put my dough there. Using my hands, I'm going to flatten it, and then later on I'm going to use a rolling stick to roll it out to the thickness that I want. It depends on you, but usually from my experience, when you roll it out so thinly, like if you have a thinner pancake, usually they tend to burn out and get dry. If I'm making sense, they get dry and then they are really hard when they cool down. So it's better if you give these pancakes some thickness, leave them with some muscle. So once you're done flattening it out, you're going to use any cutter of your preference. You can use cookie cutters that are in shapes, but I'm just going to use a tumbler top that is circular and really cut deep, and then I'll cut my pancakes out of my dough. So now I'm going to go around my pancakes and remove the cut-offs or cutouts, the ones that are not shaped, and then I'll remove my pancakes and put them aside. And in the meantime, there's cooking oil that is heating up on the fire. Please, as you can see, the cooking oil is not really so hot. So when it starts picking up the heat, then the pancakes are also getting ready. They also come up like the mandazi, if you watched my previous video. So once they are puffed up and they come up, then you can keep on turning them until they are golden brown, the right color that you want. They tend to burn out so quickly, so you have to be there, like you have to be there watching them. Don't just put them and then go away, or else you'll find when they are already black. Where I come from, these pancakes, we usually remove them, putting them in a fresh banana leaf, because then they don't lose the heat immediately. But if you don't have a fresh banana leaf, you can use foil paper, or you can just put them in in an airtight container, maybe a saucepan, and then cover it so that heat continues cooking up the cassava and you don't lose too much heat, and then your pancakes will be soft enough. Thank you so much guys for watching up until this time. I hope you do not throw away your ripe bananas anymore, and this video was of impact or help in any way, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye. Please subscribe if you haven't. Thanks.